Well, we at Ringler love to support NATTLE. NATTLE is a really great partner with us. And when they said that they were turning their annual meeting into virtual, we had to put our brains together to think of how can we provide something that's fun and entertaining and laugh.
Please welcome Jeff Civillico! Yes. You guys like my homemade smoke machine? Bloods everywhere.
It was great that Jeff could see everybody.
Got literally kids jumping up and down. That's fantastic. Yeah, yes. Text all your friends. Tell them all to get on this Zoom. Is that Back to the Future background? That is awesome. I'm not going to lie, sir, that is not the most flattering angle of you, sir. We thought it'd be fun to do an actual juggling workshop where we teach everyone how to juggle. You want to throw that second ball? Let me see, Don. Let me see. There you go. Don, yes, Don. Got it. You're ready for 3. We are getting to the good stuff, okay?
When one guy put on a top hat, to sort of get in character.
Did you already own that hat or did you buy it just for today?
I've had this hat since college.
What was the party in college?
Great Gatsby party.
Oh, okay. Like the Great Gatsby of jugglers.
The best part about the show was when everyone brought their families in.
Yeah, oh, yes, Daniel has a friend. Yes. Daniel, love it. Love seeing the whole family getting involved. Andrea, Mary, Kate, do your happy dance. You got it. That's right. Oh, there you go. You got 2 down. You are so close. Tiffany, you are on the edge of greatness. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. I like your air juggling there at the end. That was great.
It's fun to be on the cutting edge, to figure out, how we can have meaningful experiences together.
There's an accident waiting to happen.
Thank you, Tiffany. I appreciate that. Not sure if you're aware, but your microphone was not off. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. He's already better than me. That's not a good sign.
My team and myself really enjoyed this whole process.
Hey, I want to thank Ringler. Obviously, I want to thank NATTLE, but I thought this was such a cool idea. They wanted to bring everybody together, have a laugh, do something a little different.
It's just nice to know that there are other options out there, and it was really super fun to be a part of it.
Oh!
Wow.
Yes!
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Thank you very much.